Dear students, today's video will be belong to important question series regarding board exams, chapter A Tiger in the Zoo. Before discussion of the question, I want to also discuss about the summary or content of this poem. From the content of this poem, we have got the knowledge that tiger is not in his natural habitat when he is kept in a zoo. In a zoo, he confined to a cage where he is no more free to move about in the forest, but he walks within the length of his cage. Despite of his shining skin, he was unable to show his race. He is angry. He continues walking up and down his caged habitat. At that time, poet imagines that instead of zoo, tiger should be silently busy for the hunting. But unfortunately, that mighty tiger, powerful tiger, is cursed to live in a concrete cell in the zoo, where many visitors come to see him in the where many visitors come to see him in the zoo, but he doesn't like the examining sights of the visitors. In other words, we can say that he simply ignores their presence. At night, he gazed only brilliant stars which shine in the sky. He can't free himself, but he keeps on watching the brilliant stars standing behind the bars of his caged habitat. I hope the content summary of this poem is revised in your mind. Now we discuss about the important question series. First question: how does the tiger stalk in the cage? I have told you stalk means move. Tiger is in zoo where he is locked in a cage. So he keeps inside his cage from corner to corner. He is in angry, but he put his heels, which are padded like velvet. Second question: how does the tiger prepares himself for hunting when he is in his natural habitat, the jungle? From the poem, we know about the natural habitat of the tiger's condition. He knows his skillful art for the hunting. He waits for his prey unseenly in the shadow of trees. He slides through the long grass where he wants to hunt plump deer. Next question: how does the tiger terrorize the villagers? Does he have any intention of killing them. Actually, sometimes tigers reach at the boundary of the jungle where houses of the villagers situated. So, according poet, tiger opens out his white sharp teeth and paws to terrorize the villagers. Actually, tiger has no intention of killing them because he never attacks till he is provoked to do so. टाइगर कभी भी अपनी तरफ से अटैक नहीं करेगा जब तक कि उसको अटैक करने के लिए अट्रैक्ट न किया जाए. हाउ डज द टाइगर फील लॉक्ड इन द कंक्रीट सेल ऑफ द जू? Why does he ignore the visitors? I have told you, he is inhabitant of the forest. So in the zoo, he feels quite helpless. He only walks the length of his gaze. He ignores the visitors because he wants to present himself as an object of entertaining others. Next question. What does the tiger do at night? What does he feel when he stares at the brilliant stars in the sky? From the poem we know the patrolling cars moved around and tiger hears its sound late at the night. He gazed brilliant stars in open sky. These brilliant stars open intensify the feeling of helplessness because he is inside the cage. Next question. Freedom can't be bargained at any cost. What message does Leslie Norris give to the readers in A Tiger in the Zoo? From the comment of the question, its message is clear. Freedom is very precious. So we should write about the importance of freedom. Next question. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars. Who hears the last voice and of what? I have told you about the poem. Who hears? Tiger hears. What? Patrolling cars at night. Next question. And stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. Why are the eyes brilliant? What is common between the eyes and the stars? Tiger's eyes shine brightly in the darkness of night, and the stars are also shining in the sky. So, the common element is the shining and brilliant between the tiger's eyes and the stars. Next question. What message do you get from this poem? I have told you importance of freedom, and animals should not be kept in zoo. They should be provided to natural environment. Next question. Barring his white fangs, his claws terrorizing the village. Who bears his fangs and how does he terrorize the village? I know, natural, the tiger. And to terrorize the village, he keeps snarling and around houses. Now long question. Its answer should be in 100 to 120 words. First question. Give contrasting pictures of the tiger in his natural habitat and in the logged edge of the zoo. How does he feel and behave differently at both the places? In this question, we should pick the picture of the tiger when he is in forest and when he is in zoo. Its manner of hunting, its roaming, its behavior. And in the zoo, when he moves in cell, when he ignores the visitor's eyes, and when he helplessly gazes the stars. We should be tapped in. Freedom is such an essence. Next question. Freedom is such an essential virtue that is valued not only by human beings but also by animals alike. Justify the statement with reference to Leslie Norris' poem A Tiger in the Zoo. We should be know that freedom is an essential virtue valued by all, not only humans but even the inhabitant of the forest value it. No one knows it better than a caged tiger in a zoo. Animals, particularly the animals of the wilds, feel free only in their natural habitats. So, in this way, we should give adverse description for the habit of animals having as the pet. हमें इस क्वेश्चन में एनिमल्स को उनके स्वाभाविक वातावरण में ही छोड़ने के लिए बोलना चाहिए और हमें उन्हें घरों में भी या जू में भी, घर भी एक प्रकार का जू है। माना हमने किसी डॉग को लिया और अपने घर में पाल लिया, वो डॉग जो अपनी आज़ादी को छीन लेते हैं हम और उसको अपने घर में जू बना कर रखते हैं। वह हमारी मर्जी से उठता है, हमारी मर्जी से बैठता है, लेकिन जब वो फ्री होगा तो वेयर एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू गो, वट एवर ही वॉन्ट्स टू डू, ही शुड डू, but he can't enjoy when he is pet. So we should be give the description of the adverse condition of this habit who wants to keep animals as their pet. Dear visitors, we have completed the important question description of tiger in the zoo, and at this time I am finding you are giving me the response for the subscription and comments. I am waiting more and more your subscription and your response. Next videos I will give you such type of utility descriptions which is based on your CBSE syllabus. Thank you. Have a nice day.